Good morning everyone, happy Vlogmas day 4. Say this morning, it's not actually even this morning, it is almost 1 p.m. I had a migraine after I stopped vlogging last night. Like, it was so bad. Just had to go to bed. I stopped vlogging last night, I think about 6 or 7 o'clock. It hit me like not that long after that. And it was like, I always get it on the right hand side and it goes through my ear and down my neck. It's awful. I hate migraines. I hate them. And I wouldn't mind, the other day I was just saying, oh, I haven't had a migraine in so long. One of those things, don't be talking about it. You're bringing it upon yourself. I had Noah in the bed with me and he kind of like fell asleep for a little bit and then he was awake. Paddy was looking after him last night. If anybody of you suffer with migraines out there, you'll know exactly what it's like. This has been my biggest fear since the day I got pregnant, was that I would get migraines when Noah was little and not be able to take care of him, of like for a day even. It's just been, they're awful. But it's only happened to me twice. I think this is my second migraine in 6 months, which is really good. I don't know if like my body has changed since having Noah. I went to see a specialist, Dr. Rutledge. He's in Beaumont Hospital, and I remember him telling me, because migraines, there's different types of migraines. He even said, like, if you suffer from headaches, just a pain in your head, more than 15 days in the month, you're a migraine sufferer. Like, he will treat you for migraines. But anyway, I remember explaining it to him and he was like, fluctuating in hormones is my problem. So when it's coming up to the time of the month, I will get a migraine. I will definitely get them from stress. So when I was pregnant, I didn't get them at all because my hormones were all level. But he was just like, you're going to suffer with them until you go through menopause, or unless you're pregnant or whatever. And he was so right, because when I was pregnant with Noah, I didn't get one, not one. I think I might have had like a mild one during pregnancy. Maybe my hormones have all started like leveling off after having Noah, and now I'm just getting them. Like, the last time I had one was Halloween night, and then today or yesterday, obviously. Anyway, this is such a boring topic. Noah and I were lying in bed this morning with Paddy. We were just like chilling and I gave him his breakfast. So now I think we're gonna go for a walk. I need a bit of fresh air. It's been 12 hours that's been going on, like maybe longer than 12 hours. Like, sometimes my migraines can last 24 hours. Very rare occasions, but they usually last between 9 and 12 hours, and they're just horrendous. I hate them. I wouldn't wish migraines on my worst enemy. They're just the worst things ever. We're gonna go for a little walk, get out, get some fresh air. It's very cold and kind of damp out today. I hate one of those days, but I just need like fresh air. And so Paddy's mum got this for Noah. It's in his bedroom. He has a room in Paddy's house, and it is all about his name and the origins of it, and I just think it's really nice. So that's sitting in his windowsill, and I need to get a couple of baby pictures for him for this room as well, kind of decorate it up. We're all dressed and ready. We're gonna go for a walk. I'll just show you what we're putting Noah in because it's gotten really cold. I want that close. There's a pillow trapped in it. We're dressing him in this little cute onesie, and it's fluffy. I got this in Penny's not that long ago, and oh bit of giving out going on. I got it in Penny's a while ago, and I just think it's the cutest thing ever. So we're going to put him in that just to keep him toasty warm. It's just gone a bit chilly outside, and we're obviously putting him in a buggy. It's gotten dark so early. I also washed my hair last night with the new shampoos and conditioner, and my hair smells divine. Now, I haven't styled it or anything, and it's barely brushed. Yes? You ready to go? So I'll show you those products again just in case you might have missed them the other day. Now I'm just going to get Noah ready. Look at those bags. And we'll go to the shop. He's all dressed in a snowsuit. It's to keep you warm. Okay, he absolutely hates this snowsuit, but it's so adorable on him. Yeah, he just hates it. Absolutely hates it. Look at you, little snow bear. I actually do have loads of blankies just to keep him wrapped up. There's another one down there that we're going to put on him, but I just had to show you how cute he was. Now he's all wrapped up. You ready? Let's go.
Where's your handies?
Your handies cold. I just really needed the fresh air. Just stuck in. Oh my god, that guy's playing chicken. He just like ran out in front of the car. Yeah, and it's really dark. I look like something that fell out of the bin. Like, I actually look like death. We look great heading off to the shop. Noah's snug as a bug. That's the main thing. Apparently they're bringing in more restrictions tonight into Ireland. We'll know more at 6 p.m. I don't know what these restrictions are, to be honest. I haven't been going anywhere, and with this new like variant and just with Noah and stuff, I've been really reluctant to go anywhere anyway. Like I haven't been anywhere since we went to Tabernacle with Kieran and Rachel.
Yeah, how long ago was that?
That was ages ago. We had a date night for 2 hours. And we went to an Indian restaurant, and that was 3 weeks ago. It is what it is. I don't know what more restrictions they can bring in. Probably going to reduce the amount of people that can go into restaurants or something. I don't know. I haven't a clue. But anyway, we're waiting to hear that announcement at 6 o'clock. It's probably going to affect you more so because you have a couple of nights out coming with your group of friends.
See if that goes ahead.
Yeah, and then with your football friends, and also his work party was cancelled. Like that, we're in a pandemic. You don't know what way the world's gonna go. Right, I need to cross the road here. I better stop vlogging or else I will get knocked down. Oh, all the Christmas trees for sale. Oh, look at the little reindeer. I'm just at the shop now. Going to Centra. The pharmacy window's actually done up so nice, isn't it? Dominoes, we're getting one of them tonight. Can't wait. Yeah, Centra yet again this week. Vlogmas day 3 is up and ready to go, and I said before I finish today's vlog, because we're going to order some pizza now, and I'll just end it after we get our pizza, so then I can start editing it later on today, or later on tonight rather. Noah's after having his dinner. We gave him carrots and parsnips again tonight. He's loving that, so I'm delighted. I think that that's going to be his dinner for the rest of the week. And then next week I'm going to introduce, I gave him peas before and he wasn't too keen, but I'm going to try and give him peas and something else mixed in next Monday. See how we get on with that, because I try and vary like what I give him every week just to kind of develop his palate. But he loves the carrots and parsnips, so I'm delighted with that. Took out the potatoes this time so that it wasn't as starchy, and he seems to be able to swallow up it a bit better, because he was kind of choking on the starchiness of the potatoes before. But anyway, I'll show you the hair care products, because my hair feels so soft and it smells, oh my god, like it smells like a hair salon. Like it's so good. I talked about these in a previous video just where I'd ordered them, and I was just saying that my hairdresser, recommended them. They are from the brand Alfalpar. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. You need the tiniest amount of the shampoo. It's quite like a thick consistency, which is brilliant, and the conditioner again is quite a thick luscious consistency, so you don't need too much of the products. I just got the 250 mils and 200 ml just to see how I get on and if I like the product. But so far, I'm really, really liking it. I have the hair mask. I haven't used it yet, but I probably will give it a go maybe the next time I wash my hair. I usually only wash my hair twice a week, and I'll see what I think of that. But these products are really, really, really great. I have also seen a few of you recommending this same brand as well, just when I was talking about the hair care products, and he had said that the Pureology, one girl had mentioned Pureology made her hair fall out. So I was like, oh my god, maybe there's some strange ingredients in that. I know that the Maui products had that ingredient in it, and isn't that the reason why the OGX is being sued as well? So anyway, this brand, really, really like, highly recommend. I'll be using these for a while yet. I'm feeling a million times better after the fresh air, the walk, and I also had to get some medication in the pharmacy just for my head as well, because if I didn't take the medication I just think I'd be way worse. So we went right into the pharmacy and then into Centra and just got a few bits for tonight, because we're going to watch a movie. We were to watch one last night, but like that, then I got this stupid migraine. So instead, we're going to watch a Christmas movie tonight, and we're getting our Dominoes, and we have some popcorn and a few other treats. I'm really looking forward to just like chilling out. Right, so I'm going to get on to editing this vlog you're watching right now so I can get it up on time for you tomorrow. What time actually suits you for my vlogs to go up? I usually put it up around 6 or 7 in the evening, but maybe it'd be better if it went up like earlier in the day. I don't know, like is 6 or 7 okay? Is the time that they're going up, is that suit you time wise to watch it? I don't know what the best time to put my vlogs up at. If you guys could let me know like what time you'd prefer to see them, that'd be great. Also, I want to apologize for just how upset I was the other day in the video. I'm just kind of like complaining and been moody. Obviously it's not nice when like something goes wrong, and obviously making videos here on YouTube, and it just upsets me when like my camera broke. Like it's an expensive camera. For something like that to go wrong and for it to break is obviously an upsetting thing, and I didn't want to seem like I was moaning. I just was kind of, this is like day-to-day life. It's just kind of like the way that you expressed yourself in the moment. But anyway, I've gotten word back that Stephen is going to be able to repair it. It's going to cost maybe about €150, he said, depending on how long it's going to take to actually fix it. And he said if the part needs to be replaced, the part itself is €200. So I don't know what's going to happen with that, but it isn't looking like it's going to be under €100 to fix it anyway. I'm just praying he can fix it. I don't care how much it costs. The camera is worth a lot more to me than €150. Like, it's priceless to me, so I will pay for it to be fixed. I don't care. It's one of the best cameras I've ever used, and I've had it for so long. It served me really well. It's such a small thing that happened as well. It was a complete and utter accident. It's not like I let it fall. It's not like the software broke in it. It was just a tiny piece of plastic that got lodged in the pins. Stephen rang me earlier and said that he should be able to fix it and just kind of tell me the cost if I want him to go ahead with it. I was like, yeah, whatever it costs, just fix it. So I hope to have that back next week at some stage. But like, I mean, the phone is doing okay. It's not great. Like, the footage, I can even see when I'm looking at it, it's not the best. And the sound quality I have to edit in my software, my iMovie. But it's, you know, we're able to have vlogs, and that's the main thing. So I don't want to miss out on any of them just because I don't have a camera. So I'm glad that my phone is working pretty well. But it's still good.
Mine. I turned it off because
In bed now, guys, wrapping up today's vlog. I hope you guys had a very nice day. I had a lovely day in the end, and we had my Dominoes. We didn't actually watch a Christmas movie. We ended up watching Argo. If you've never seen it, it's such a good movie. I've seen it before, I think when it was out in the cinema, but I just had forgotten everything about it. Really good movie. I'm here, Baba. Look at him. Going into your cot and you're going to sleep in there for the night, aren't you? Like a good boy. Yep. He's really tired. Thank you for watching Vlogmas Day 4, and I will talk to you tomorrow for another vlog.